the frack? My what the Frak Shak? I don't even know where my creek is. My teepee and Spoonie's lodge and what the Frak Shak?
What the Frak Shak?
It's supposed to be down there. Normally you can see it from up here. Oh boy, are we gonna have a lot of repairing to do. So here we are, found the what the Frak Spoonie's lodge.
What the Frak Shak?
There is the teepee. Here, in the background. But wow, talk about flooding. Oh no, what the frack? My what the Frak Shak?
What the Frak Shak?
Oh, look what came to all that. And then, let's see, here we go. Oh, hello, Mr. Spoon. There's his boots. And our little offering buffet, he doesn't want to be in it, so you just get to see his magical boots. Oh, wow. It's alive, though.
It's alive, it's alive, it's alive!
So this is still here. Goodness. I thought I was recording this, but that's okay. I had to limbo just to get in this far from the tree that fell. Definitely have some project work to do. My what the Frak Shak, man? What the frack?
What the Frak Shak? Yeah.